Hello and welcome to the Tech Learners YouTube channel. Today in this session we will learn how we can use Microsoft Office online 365 applications and their other applications especially in this video we will learn about scanner apps and creating PDFs from mobile and sharing in the computer, and we can print it, mail it or share with other systems. Like we create an ecosystem of Microsoft Windows and with our Android phones. In Play Store, there are many applications available for scanner and creating PDFs, but they are ads their lack of privacy, and all of them are not premium. So some of them are, but they are paid apps. Freely available apps are contains ads and the laggy versions and less ecosystem friendly with eco-friendly with our Windows system. So this is the solution of provided by Microsoft officially and legally and free. We have 5 GB of storage in OneDrive uh, to store our files. It's not very much, but freely we have office applications, and sharing our office data is very much useful of in 5 GB of storage. So that's for this we need a Microsoft account. I created Microsoft account of my channel, YouTube channel, and mm, my YouTube channel Tech Learners, and I logged in the Microsoft 365 applications here. This is my Office 365 application installed in this, and I was previously worked scanned my document notebook in my mobile app and created a PDF. This PDF saved in my OneDrive of mobile by from mobile phone, and here I got the PDF. If I click on it, it will open in our computer system. So this is my online OneDrive log account logged inside my browser as browser, and here we can see the same file stored in our mobile phone and stored in our application of Windows application of Microsoft Office, and inside our this OneDrive live site. In the account, here is the file. I'm opening it. So you can see I have not great much camera inside my mobile phone, but it scanned much pretty clear in this time. Uh, in this time, you can use your mobile phone or clear cut. There is not any ads, not any stamps here. If your mobile phone defaultly stamped here, place a stamp time stamps like or other watermarks. This is your choice. You can put or remove it. So this document I created from my mobile phone and I am using in my desktop. So we can also use other applications like our Microsoft Words, presentation, worksheets, forms, quiz, other applications also inside the Microsoft, this free Microsoft Office 365. We can also buy off with a monthly or annual basis, but we don't need it. So thank you friend, thanks for watching. This